Hey guys, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trim Trading Academy, and this is the London Review. Hi guys, as I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be doing a series of short videos on reviewing the trades of the night, and perhaps this will also create a little more value to the IG community and the YouTube community. Let's see how it goes. If it goes well, I'll continue it. Otherwise, I'll have to chop it down. You know, I don't like it when I have to talk about my losses. And I did incur one of those last night. We'll talk about it here in just a minute. So this is the setup as we had it last night. I took notice of the fact that even though GBPUSD have been dropping and dropping and dropping, it have found support right here at this price line. I'm not sure what is that. What does that say over there? 1.2954, and it was bouncing off of it. And I was thinking perhaps it could bounce from here and go back up to the trend line. I wasn't so sure, you know, with momentum being down so hard. But I did perhaps see that it could potentially go up a little bit from the bounce. Either way, we present a plan to our team, and this is only a couple of lines on the chart. This doesn't really show you the plan that we show to our team. If you want to be able to take advantage of those, hit me up and I'll get you hooked up with the team. But we have a plan for whether it goes up or down. In this case, I'm looking at the line of support and I'm thinking perhaps it's going to bounce from here and move on up. So let's see what was it that happened. So this is what we ended up with. I actually took the bounce, that little bounce right there that went up to the 8 exponential moving average, which is that teal color one. I took the bounce up to it on a buy. And I got a couple of wins there. And then my third trade, which I didn't even need, but I wanted to pad the account, went against me on the next candle that rejected. I expected it was going to break to the top, but instead it broke down to the bottom. So as it's crossing my my line of support, I took a bigger sell position. I closed my buy, I took my sell, and as you can tell, it dropped 35 pips. After that, it went up, came back up, and it hit 64 pips. And again, we have a plan that helps the team win on that one also. So we actually caught that going and coming. And these are the results. These are my trades from last night. I took that first trade was that 325 that was going up. I was bouncing from the support and it was going up. I was trying to clear 300, so I added a smaller position, which is that $46 that you see there. And then, unfortunately for me, I decided to go ahead and put another position breaking to the top side because it was pressing against it, and it went against me. That's that loss that you see right there. But as it was breaking support, I closed the buy and I took the sell going down for another win. This actually makes it easier for me to reach my goals for the week, as it's already been a pretty good week. But I'm showing you this because, again, sometimes we incur losses, and it's no big deal that you have incurred a loss. It's not a problem to catch losses. The important part is to be able to move with the market, be flexible enough to understand, okay, it's not going my way, so close your loser, and then reassess and go with the direction of the market. Again, you don't want to be fighting the market. You can't make it do what you want it to do. You just got to go with it. And so, anyway, that's the lesson from last night. I'm a nerd when it comes to numbers. I'm fascinated by numbers, always have been. So stats, again, I guess because of being a baseball player, stats were always important. And these stats help me to see how I'm doing. So these are the numbers month to date, reaching new highs as it's coming along. Of course, I don't anticipate this linear movement to keep going up, but so far as moving in that direction, this is what it looks like since the beginning of the month, moving quite nicely to the upside. and the gains continue. And again, it's how can I say? I'm not expecting not to have a losing day in September. All I'm saying is I haven't had one yet. So when I do have a losing day, if I do have a losing day in September, I'm going to make sure that it's a small loss. Don't want to be losing these profits that I'm gaining. This is en route to the 50K I'm going after before the year is out. And it's been quite a challenge for me to share my progress, because again, it just kind of puts pressure on you, right, to perform. But I've come to the realization that if I'm going to really inspire people, I gotta show them the wins and the losses. I gotta show them the struggle. I gotta show them the fight. And so that's what the London Review is about. The London Review is about holding me accountable to the process, helping me to stay more focused and disciplined, and also perhaps help people see that you can do this. You can do this. They're going to be losing days, but once you have acquired the skill, you're going to win a whole lot more than you lose. This is a year and a half into my Forex career, and I know that you can do it too. Okay, guys? As you can see, not everything is a win. Not everything is up and up and up and up. But knowing how to manage your positions when you are in them is super important. This is perhaps the best skill you're going to acquire, and is reading price action and be able to move with the market. When the market is selling, you want to sell. When the market is buying, you want to buy. And sometimes you find yourself on the wrong side of the market, and you got to recognize it and shut it down and go with it. The London Review is, again, as I said previously, it's about keeping myself honest and sharing with people my journey to 50K, to 100K and above. And I want to be able to inspire people. I learned it from my mentor, Jay Wayne. A lot of people don't give him credit. They think that he's using a demo account. Brothers and sisters, I can tell you that his account is for real. And watching him and his journey inspired me that perhaps I can inspire others to do the same. So that's what this London Review is going to be all about. And let's see how it goes. Again, if it starts hurting me, if it starts hurting my account, I'll shut it down. But as long as I can keep moving forward and be an inspiration to you guys and keep forward progress, I will continue to do it. Okay, guys? Again, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. If you like the content that you're receiving, please comment, like, and subscribe. God bless you.